Well, first and foremost, I'm just so grateful and proud to be in this position. I think we've had an incredible 4 years, and we couldn't have done it without our people and our partners. And so what this really allows us to do is make further investments in those two areas. Investing in our existing team and then growing our existing team pretty substantially. So we'll very likely be doubling our sales, client services, supply partnerships, and engineering teams. So I'm very excited about being able to offer more of what we already do to the benefit of those partners that mean so much to us.
So I'm excited to see how far we can go. The vision for Screenverse has always been great, and we've always had such amazing potential thanks to the strength of our people and our partners. But bringing in an investor like Volition Capital is only going to allow us to get there faster and go farther. They have the knowledge, the experience, the expertise, the management team to add fuel to our already incredibly powerful rocket ship. And I am just so excited to see how far we can go and how, with their support and partnership, we're going to be able to transform the digital out-of-home space.
The important things that got us here are a commitment to our values. So core value number one is our partner's success is our own. And if we start to, or if we see this validation from the market as somehow, saying that Screenverse and Screenverse's success is this important and wonderful thing, I think we'll lose the script. And I think that's a real risk we need to make sure that we mitigate. Our partner's success is our own. That was true 4 years ago when we started the business. It's got to be more true now. So everything that we do is in service of that. Our core value number two is promise only what we can deliver. How's that get affected by, a nice size sum of money in the bank? Well, we can make bigger promises and we can resource those promises to be able to deliver. The third thing we think about is doing the right thing. That shouldn't change, right? We have more people now that are interested in the success and the growth and the future of our business. And one of the things, probably the primary thing we look for in a financing partner is, do you align on the vision and values of what we're trying to do? And are you, going to contribute not just your money, but your advice, your support along the way in service of those core values that we have? And we have a wonderful partner in Volition Capital that aligns perfectly with our vision and frankly what got us here. And then the fourth core value we have is building for the long term. And that is pretty obviously what this is all about.
So all signs point to digital out-of-home being a larger part of the overall omni-channel media mix, being more empowered by technology, automation, the programmatic channel. But really, it's just realizing its potential. Adam and I have been in the digital out-of-home space, respectively, 15 plus years. And we both have invested so much time because we see it as being incredibly undervalued and having so much potential. And so the entire genesis of Screenverse was really to help and realize that potential for digital out-of-home. And so being able to help this industry access those hundreds of millions, if not billions of media dollars that it has a rightful opportunity to seize is exactly what we're excited to see. So in the future, being able to see more digital investment dollars go to digital out-of-home, see more programmatic dollars, omni-channel investment from the likes of Google, The Trade Desk, Yahoo, and others, and really being able to see digital out-of-home take its rightful place in the media mix. And it really does create that opportunity where rising tide lifts all ships. And we really want Screenverse to be one of those main driving forces of that rising tide.